a lot of people, so sit by yourself. You can pick any seat and sit. And the breakfast selection is a lot. It's almost like a brunch slash dinner. It's very basic. Vegetables, corn, ham, soup, sausage. So if you love to eat, this breakfast is not too bad. If you come here, try to get a free breakfast with it. And also the pastry. You think that's all? There's more. A lot of sauce. I don't know what they are. And I'm not about to eat anything. I'm probably just gonna noodle. There's more, there's more. And there's many drinks, just like when you go to the cruise. I think Marco will like it. Very nice. My favorite, probably just a cup of coffee with some noodles. See? So that's all. I'm gonna eat now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. This is a buffet breakfast dining room. You see, it's so huge, right? Unfortunately, I'm allergic to their oil. That's it, vegetables or the noodle sauce. They all use kind of oil that made from the beef. And it doesn't really taste good. So all I'm eating